Good morning. Today is Thursday, May 14th, 2020. I'm going to move my picture out of the way so we can see our meme of the day. Yes, that rhymes. Dun dun dun! It's like CSI. You gotta figure out, solve the mystery. Why are people turning in work that's blank? I don't know. But I see that, and I just send it back to you, and then I tell you to do it again, and I don't hear it. So try and get your work done. Okay, thanks, bye. Alright, today and every day, please make sure you watch or read the daily message, that you're completing your assignments, turning them in, and checking in with me. Some of you are very good at that. You check in every day. I love that you do that. You don't have to check in every day. If you just check in once on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and once on Thursday, Friday, then you're good. But if you have questions or if you want to check in more than that, I'm happy to see you or hear from you. Today we're beginning lesson 11.3. It's called Using Statistical Measures to Compare Populations. All right, this one's going to be a little bit of a doozy. This is where we're talking about mean and we're talking about MAD. And you might remember we learned the MAD shortly before leaving. The MAD is the one where you find the mean, do every number, and you tell me how far away it is from the mean. So that's absolute value. You tell me how far every number is away and everything is positive. And then you find the mean of those numbers. So this is the one where you have to find the mean twice and you do subtracting in the middle. If that's familiar to you, it should be. We did do it before we left. Our objective is to use statistical measures to compare populations. Today you should watch the daily video, complete the warm-up, complete the instructional, or watch, not rewatch, but just watch the instructional videos, and you should also complete the independent practice problems. If you want to go ahead and finish the exit ticket and just turn everything in, a lot of you have been doing that. I'm cool with that. That means you won't have anything to do on Friday, so good luck. I'm here if you need me. Have a great day. Stay safe.